Kia ora whānau. Uncle AZEE back with another tip to help get you through 2021. Yeah, here's the scenario. So you're going to a movie theatre, you got your ticket, you got your allocated seats, you know where you're supposed to sit. You walk into the theatre, then you notice there's a female sitting in the chair right next to the one you're supposed to sit in. And you know that your wife will know that's the kind of woman you may find attractive. So mumsy sort of, you know, from the word go, her scan is wrong. Now, average bloke would go, hey, I got my tickets, I got my seats, I know where I'm supposed to sit, I'm going to sit there, you can't. You know, I'm just following the rules. Yeah, but us hood learned ones would know that you go sit next to that lady, mum's going to be like, oh yeah, you wanted that seat right next to that B. I'm not going to use expletives. Oh, well, you want to sit next to you, you might as well go effing home with that B. You're gonna get dramas. And if you don't sit next to her, even though that's your seat and you try and pull the next one over type stuff, mum's going to be like, what'd you do that for? Now that girl knows that I'm insecure of it. You know, what? Are you feeling a little uncomfortable sitting next to that B? You know, you're going to be over. It's over. So, how do you get past this? Uncle AZEE got you. You let mumsy walk in first. You let mumsy be, you know, steer it there. She takes her seat. Then you walk up to her and you act like you're incapable of being able to see the numbers on the chairs. Straight up. Oh, babe, where's my seat? Where do I sit? You let her point it out. If I had a mic, I'd drop it right in there. There you go. Sounds so small, but hood brothers know. Stay up, whānau. Pay attention. Stay woke. East side up. Uncle AZEE 2021. Hood rules to live by.